Hello everyone. In this question it is saying ABCD is a quadrilateral which is inscribed in a circle and the radius of this circle is 5 unit and the length of this AB is 6 unit and the length of CD is 8 unit and AC is diameter of this circle. Then we have to find the perimeter of this quadrilateral ABCD. Okay, I think you have read this question yourself. Then already you have solved this question because this is a simple question, but I'm going to solve this. Okay, and if you like my solution, then please like, share and subscribe with bell notification this channel. Now according to question, the length of AB is 6 unit and the length of CD is 8 unit. Okay, and AC is diameter of this semicircle. This means what? This angle will be 90 degree. This angle will also be 90 degree because triangle made with diameter is always right angle triangle. Okay, or you can say that triangle made in semicircle is always right angle triangle. Okay, so this is the only we have to think. Actually then we can write here in triangle, right angle triangle ABC, BC equal to what? Why I'm writing BC? Because AC length will be what? 10 unit. Because radius is 5, then diameter will be 10, so AC length will be 10. So we can find the length of BC actually. So that's why I'm writing using Pythagoras theorem. We can find the length of BC, that is AC square minus AB square, and AC is 10, so 10 square, and AB is 6 square, which is equal to 100 minus 36, that is under root 64, which is equal to 8 unit. And also we can find in triangle ADC, that is the length of this AD, using Pythagoras theorem. This will be AC square minus CD square, which is equal to 10 square minus 8 square, because CD length is 8 unit, that is 100 minus 64 under root 36, which is equal to what? 6. So we have to find actually what? Perimeter of this quadrilateral. So we will write perimeter of quadrilateral ABCD equal to AB plus BC plus CD plus AD, and AB is 6 and BC we have just calculated 8 and CD is 8 according to question, and AD we have also just calculated 6, and if we add this then we get 28. So 28 will be the required answer for this question. So thanks for watching this video.